California motor vehicle ownership, lost title, bond. What is a lost title bond? A lost title bond is a type of surety bond that serves as a guarantee to the state that you are the rightful owner of a vehicle when you've lost the original title. In simple terms, it's like an insurance policy that assures the state that you have the right to claim ownership of your vehicle even if you can't find the title. Why is it important? Proof of ownership. Without a title, it's challenging to prove that you're the rightful owner of a vehicle. The lost title bond provides a way to establish ownership when the original title is lost or destroyed. Legal compliance. In California, it's a legal requirement to have a title for your vehicle. Obtaining a lost title bond ensures that you comply with state regulations and avoid any potential legal issues. Selling or transferring ownership. If you plan to sell or transfer ownership of your vehicle, having a valid title is crucial. The lost title bond allows you to obtain a new title, making the process smoother and more straightforward. Building trust and credibility. For motor vehicle dealers, having the bond in place signals to consumers and regulatory authorities that the dealer is committed to ethical practices and is financially backed to cover any potential damages. Peace of mind. Losing important documents like a vehicle title can be stressful. Knowing that you can obtain a lost title bond to rectify the situation provides peace of mind and ensures that you can continue to use your vehicle without unnecessary hassle. Cost considerations. The price of the bond can vary depending on factors such as the value of the vehicle and your credit history. Typically, you'll need to pay a premium, which is a percentage of the bond amount. For example, if the bond amount is $5,000 and the premium rate is 1%, you'll need to pay $50 for the bond. Keep in mind that this is just an estimate, and actual costs may vary. It's also important to note that the bond amount required by the DMV may differ based on factors such as the age and condition of the vehicle. Be sure to check with the DMV or a licensed surety bond provider for specific requirements and pricing information.